The ventilation grill will work like new. Just one thing is enough to clean it without removing it. The amount of moisture in the bathroom and throughout the house depends on the operation of the ventilator. Few people check if it works properly, but all it takes is a piece of paper. If you put it against the grill, it should stick. If the ventilation properly extracts air, it will hold the paper or piece of paper without any problems. But what if the ventilation isn't working properly? Check if the grill itself needs cleaning. If there is a lot of dirt and dust on it, it may restrict its operation. Some grills can be removed. Before you do that, prepare some baking soda. Dilute it with water. Take the grill and a toothbrush. Clean the grill above the sink. Rinse it off and reinstall it. You can also clean the grill without removing it. All you need is a cloth and a knife. Dampen the cloth with dishwashing liquid. Wrap it around the knife. This way, you can clean the slots in the ventilation grill without removing it. Some grills can accumulate a lot of dirt. After such a treatment, the ventilation should work much better. Here's how to remove yellow stains and buildup from window frames. This brilliant homemade solution will make cleaning your windows incredibly easy. Let me show you 3 tried and true methods that really work. First, try a mixture of baking soda and water. Baking soda gently whitens, removes discoloration, and dissolves light deposits. Soak a cotton pad in this mix and wipe the window frames. In just moments, the yellow stains and buildup will disappear. For the second method, use baking powder and lemon juice. Baking powder cleans and neutralizes unpleasant odors, while the citric acid in lemon juice brightens and whitens. Apply the paste to frames or sills, scrubbing with a small brush to get into all the hard-to-reach corners. Finish by wiping with a damp cloth. You'll see the difference immediately. The last method is my favorite. Pour a cup of vinegar into a bowl. Vinegar is excellent at dissolving limescale, grease, and streaks. Add a bit of baking soda. It softens dirt and acts as a mild abrasive. When mixed, it will foam up nicely. Spread the foam onto the frames with a sponge. Let it sit for a moment, then wipe clean with a cloth. With these simple homemade tricks, your window frames will look brand new, clean, cheap, and natural. Pour ET into the dishwasher and turn it on. After the cycle is finished, it will be like new. This is the best way to clean the dishwasher. Before you do that, however, check the condition of the filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Unscrew the filter. Here, all the dirt accumulates. See how much residue is on it. It's grease and food remnants. Place the filter in a bowl of warm water. Pour dishwashing liquid and scrub the entire filter. When you remove most of the dirt, change the water. Soak the filter in water with dish soap and vinegar. This will help remove any remaining dirt. It will also neutralize most of the bacteria that may have settled on the filter. Clean the edge near the dishwasher door. Dirt collects here, which is not removed during the cycle. Wipe this area thoroughly and clean it. Check and scrub the filter again. After rinsing it under running water, screw it back into place. Unscrew the salt container. You will see if dirt has settled on the cap. Remove it and screw it back on. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. Let it cover the entire bottom. Place a small bowl of vinegar on the top rack. Turn on the dishwasher for a standard cycle. Baking soda and vinegar will clean and disinfect the interior of the dishwasher. The remaining dirt and unpleasant odor will disappear. The dishwasher will look like new. The dishes will be cleaner and shinier. Put your grill grate into a plastic bag. This trick will really save you a lot of time and hassle. Start by taking a dishwasher tablet and dropping it into a bowl. Pour in hot water so the tablet dissolves completely. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has cleaning, degreasing, and mild abrasive properties. Mix everything thoroughly. Let the solution cool down. Once it's cooled, place the grill grate into the plastic bag. Make sure the bag is big and sturdy enough. Pour the prepared mixture inside. Seal the bag tightly, securing all the ends to prevent any leaks. Set it on the counter and leave it for about an hour or longer, depending on how dirty it is. After that time, carefully open the bag and remove the grate. Scrub off any remaining residue with a regular sponge. Soaking it in the bag helps loosen burned-on grime without heavy scrubbing. The dishwasher tablet and baking soda work together to dissolve stubborn dirt and grease, making thorough cleaning easy. Just 2 tablespoons are enough to make toilet stains and limescale disappear. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. There's a simple and effective solution, and everything you need is already at home. Start by grabbing a small plastic container. Pour in about 2 cups of water. Warm water works best. Add 3 tablespoons of citric acid. This natural descaler breaks down limescale, rust, and other buildup without harsh chemicals. Next, add a bit of dish soap. It cuts through grime and grease and, combined with the citric acid, creates a powerful yet gentle cleaning mix. Stir well until the citric acid fully dissolves. Now it's ready to use. Soak a few pieces of paper towel in the mixture. Then place them all around the toilet bowl, especially under the rim. That's where limescale builds up the most. The paper helps keep the solution in place where liquid alone would normally run off. Once the bowl is lined with soaked paper, pour the remaining mixture directly onto the sides of the bowl. Leave everything for about an hour. After that, remove the paper and wipe the bowl clean. That's it. No scrubbing, no harsh store-bought cleaners. Just a cheap, safe, and natural way to make your toilet sparkle. You'll never go back to chemical cleaners again. I always bring a lemon to a barbecue. It saves me a lot of time and stress. The acid in lemons works wonders. I don't know a better or easier method than this lemon trick. I've never used a quicker solution. I'm sure you already have these items at home. Just regular salt and lemons. Take them with you to the grill. Cut the lemon in half evenly. That's one of our main ingredients. The second one is salt. Pour some salt onto a small plate. Grab a fork and head to your grill. Now stick the fork into the lemon and dip it into the salt. Press it down so the salt sticks well. When the grill is empty, place the lemon with salt on it. Start scrubbing the hot grate with it. The lemon acid combined with salt works like magic. Normally, cleaning the grill takes time and expensive products. I have to admit, I used to make that mistake and spent way too much. Plus, this way you know there are no harsh chemicals left where your meat goes. Just prepare your lemon ahead of time. It works on any grill. Look at the final result. It's amazing. Just a few seconds and the grill is sparkling. Homemade dust spray. Your furniture will shine like never before, and dust will stop settling on it. Take a larger container. Pour in 1 cup of water. Then add about 3 ounces of vinegar. It makes all surfaces shine without streaks. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil, which will prevent dust from settling so easily on furniture. Finally, add 2 pumps of dish soap. It repels dust thanks to its anti-static properties. Use a funnel to pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Then shake it well again. Now you can safely use it on your furniture. Take a microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of the liquid to it. Wipe the areas where you have the biggest problem with dust. You can also spray it directly onto the furniture. This spray is safe for children and pets and contains no unnecessary chemicals. Your furniture will stay clean longer and smell pleasant. It only takes one use to see the difference.